Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Canva website template in your WordPress. So here, as you can see, I have two tabs in my web browser. So you just have to log into your Canva account and then to your WordPress account. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to edit our WordPress website. But before that, let's go ahead and create our Canva design. So just open your Canva and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for website design or website template. Okay, so just type out right here website design, and you'd be able to see here different website design or different website template that you can use. So for example, this one. So if you want to use this one, you just have to click on customize this template and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see here now this section. So of course, before we use the code for this template or use this template to our WordPress, of course we have to customize this one first. So make sure to click on apply all pages. Okay, so for example, we want to change the image or some of the font and text of this template. So we just have to customize the element one by one. For example, I want to remove this one. You just have to highlight the text, remove it. And then for the image, so if you want to upload your own image, you just have to delete the first image. As you can see, this template has already its own frame, so you just have to drag and drop your images. After that, click on the share option and then click on the three dots, and you'd be able to see here now the embed option. So just simply click on the embed option, click on the embed once again, and you'd be able to see here now your HTML code. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy your code. That's right. And then go back to your WordPress account. So right here, you just have to click on the edit side option. Okay, so this one at the right side of our screen. And then we are going to create a new page for this sample template. Okay, but you can also upload or embed the code to your homepage. But for this one, I'm just going to create a new page. So just go to the pages section, and here just click on the add new page at the top right of this section. Here just have to type out the title of this new page. So I'm just going to name this one as sample page or template. After that, just click on create draft, and what you can do here is to choose a block. Okay, so you can click on this plus icon and then here click on the embed HTML, and then if you cannot find this option, you can use the search bar. Okay, and here just have to write the code or paste the code. Now you just have to click on the preview option. Once the code is correct, you'd be able to see here now the preview of the template from Canva. Okay, so as you can see, we have this template, and then the next thing that you should do is to publish this one. So just click on the publish option at the top right of your screen, and this is how it's going to look like. So now we can view the page. Okay, so as you can see right here, so if you have a good connection and you have upgraded your plan, you'd be able to see here now or the feature where you have integrated the design from Canva to your WordPress account. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.